and that we were baptized on December the 31st, 1965. And I know this question will come up. Why did I join the church? As a kid, I had three questions. Where did I come from? Why am I here? And where do I go when I die? The church I was going to did not answer these questions. My mother sent me to a doctor because she thought that there was something wrong. I wouldn't tell her. She never did know the three questions I had. But when the lessons were given to us, my questions were answered. Consequently, why wouldn't I believe